Today marks an interesting day in the world of finance, very noteworthy as the CPI, also known as the Consumer Price Index, data report did come out for the United States, showing that inflation has increased a little bit more once again. We have an article here from Cointelegraph highlighting some more details on what people are analyzing in the world of Bitcoin and what we could potentially be seeing next. You guys can see that Bitcoin is actually up on the day, which is a nice little sign to start with, but how will things continue to progress moving forward as we wait for the next report next month? We also have the midterm elections. There's a lot of things going on with that. So I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion. It's my own research. I highly encourage you to go do your own research. I'll have a link to this article in the description down below. With that being said, let's go ahead and dive on into the news. Bitcoin price finally made a move, and fireworks are sure to follow. New crypto market trends are starting to emerge now that Bitcoin and equities markets move closer to make or break levels, which will determine the market's direction. This week, Bitcoin raised investors' hopes and then left them high and dry again. Traders placed a majority of their attention on Bitcoin price, pushing through a long-term descending trendline resistance. But according to Cointelegraph analyst Ray Salmon, BTC Bitcoin price simply consolidated its way through the trend line by trading in a sideways manner where price has been range bound between $18,500 and $24,500 for the past 114 days. At the time of writing, Bitcoin's price continues to battle at $20,000, and it's uncertain whether or not the level will hold as support. Data from on-chain analytics firm Whalemap shows the three price zones investors should focus on. Whalemap told Cointelegraph so far the resistance at $20,380, that is due to a whale accumulation of 20,200 Bitcoin, has been working quite well, with the latest rejection being almost to the dollar accurate. Whalemap elaborated. Our support remains unchanged since the drop from $30,000. It lies at $19,174 and was formed all the way back on June 18, 2022 by a staggering accumulation of 101,300 Bitcoin by whale wallets. There's also one more resistance above $20,380 at $21,543. But first, we need to at least break above $20,380. From the perspective of technical analysis, on the daily time frame, the Bollinger Bands are constricted. Bitcoin futures open interest reached a near record high above 604,000, and the price is trading outside of a long-term trendline resistance, all of which are signs that a directional move is in the making. So, as shown by the chart below, investors' appetite for risk continues to decline. And it should be no surprise that risk assets are the first to see outflow and be ignored by investors during a bear market. While Bitcoin's and Ether's prices have ignored the recent volatility seen in equities markets, United States Federal Reserve policy and the potential for another wave of strong selling in stock markets could trigger the next leg down for the cryptocurrency market. Well, what's next for Bitcoin? At the moment, Bitcoin and the wider crypto market are essentially in a zone where a range of bullish and bearish factors could determine the next direction of the trend. As mentioned by Delphi Digital, Bitcoin is currently following the trajectory of previous market cycles. Zooming in closer, we can see what Delphi Digital characterizes to be uncanny similarities to the 2018 cycle. There are a handful of Bitcoin crypto market and equities metrics that are showing confluence and support the possibility of a relief rally in the short term, but generally, the overall trend favors the downside. If equities see some relief and rally higher, the tight correlation between Bitcoin, Ethereum, and equities markets would suggest a similar style price action in crypto. With that said, a Bitcoin relief rally is likely to be capped at $27,500, where the 200-day moving average resides. The most encouraging short-term actions from Bitcoin would be to either continue in the same range, holding $20,000 and $18,400 as support, or a high-volume breakout clearing the current 116-day range with a series of daily closes above the range high at $25,200. An eventual flip of the 200 moving average to support and a series of weekly higher highs on the candlestick charts would be early signs of a possible longer-term bullish reversal, but this seems highly unlikely given the macro headwinds facing Bitcoin. So long story short, the takeaway from this is there's still a lot of signs suggesting we could end up seeing this continue to go back down. But there are some factors in play that suggest we could see it go up. So probability-wise, is it more likely to go down right now or more likely to go up? Based on the analytics, looks like it's more likely it's going to go down. Keep an eye on the price charts. Keep an eye on the things going on in the news. Continue to look at the reports that are coming out, what different companies are saying, this and that. And at the end of the day, guys, never invest more than you're willing to lose. Always remember that. And again, this is their opinion. This is my opinion. I am not a financial advisor, just sharing the data reports, the opinions, all that kind of stuff on this channel. And hopefully that was helpful for you. Thank you so much to my Patreon supporters. A double shout out thank you to WeLoveSafeMoon.com, Murad Shaker, Victor Vegas, and SafeMoon Oz for being higher level patrons. Also, thank you to my YouTube members for your guys' support. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up like button. God bless, and we will see you in the next episode. Like cryptocurrencies, your DNA is made up of data, and with Self-Decode, you can discover more about your personal health. Self-Decode can help you improve your mood, optimize your health, balance your gut, improve heart health, reduce stress, reduce inflammation, optimize your cognition, and improve brain health. Their process is very easy. Simply register at the website, read the instruction manual and collect your DNA sample, place the sample into the specimen bag, put the entire box in the return envelope, mail the return envelope back to them, and then wait 6 to 8 weeks for your results. Their website is easy to use, easy to understand, and as someone personally who sits down a lot throughout the course of the day, having resources that are more geared specifically to me that I can optimize my health, it's a huge game changer. You invest into other things, and there's no greater investment than yourself. So get started with Self-Decode. Check out the link in the description.